Hello, in this video I make the Pong game and connect this game with microbit. I will use microbit's events to move some objects in processing. Let's create the project first. I will use the following events to cause the rectangle to move in processing. Tilt left event cause the rectangle to move on the left. Tilt right event cause the rectangle move on the right, and shake event cause that the application reset. We will use on start block, and then we find while block with condition equals true. Selection statement I will put into the while loop. Go to input palette, choose that block. That block will be check which gesture event occurred. For instance, is tilt left gesture, is tilt right gesture, or is shake gesture. We can change the gesture from the combo box. You can see in the first if statement we will put is tilt left gesture, then we will put tilt right, and the end shake will be put in the else block. Go to serial port and choose this block, serial write. The block serial write string send some text to the serial port. If tilt left event occurred, we will send the letter L. For tilt right we will send the letter D, and the end we will send the letter R. To hear a sound when we click, we will choose the play tone from palette music. Choose the tone which you want. We will add more tone for other gesture events. First, connect the microbit with the computer. Click next, and then pair. We will connect microbit with the computer. Click the pair. And download. Choose the show string block to show some letter on the display on microbit. Click download again to copy that code. We will correct the previous code to do three things. Send appropriate letter to serial port at first. Second, to send the same letter to microbit, and the third to play tone. We are missing tone here. We will change this letter here. And choose the play tone from the palette and drag into the else if block. Click on the download button to copy this code on the microbit. Let's look the microbit. I will trigger title left, title right event, and then shake. In the next video I will create an application in processing and connect with this application in microbit. See what that application should look like. Thank you for your attention, and bye. See you in the next video.